A motion hearing in the case against the former Franklin County Sheriff's deputy who fatally shot Casey Goodson Jr. was held today. Thanks for joining us for NBC4 at 5. I'm Jennifer Bullock.
I'm Jared Smalley. Lawyers for former Franklin County Deputy Jason Meade filed a motion last month requesting a change of venue for his retrial. NBC4's Samantha Bender was inside the courtroom today. Sam, what's the latest?
After a mistrial earlier this year, ex-deputy Jason Meade is set to go on trial again next year. His lawyers today argued that due to the publicity before, during, and post-trial, a change in venue is necessary for the retrial. Meade is accused of fatally shooting Casey Goodson Jr. at the door of his grandmother's house in 2020, shooting him 6 times in the back. Meade claims Goodson pointed a gun at him twice, making him fear for his life. Meade's lawyers say there is too much bias surrounding this case. His attorney, Mark Collins, pointed to banners on the highway, signs, and flyers, all calling for justice for Goodson, which he says taints the jury pool. Collins also pointed to several elected officials in Franklin County taking to social media, voicing support for Goodson's family after the first trial. The request for a change of venue was taken into consideration by the judge today. Another motion was brought forth by Meade's defense to manage the conduct of those inside the courtroom. Meade's attorney, Steve Nolder, saying those in the courtroom should not be allowed to wear AirPods or clothing that may influence the jury's decision. Meantime, Goodson's family lawyer, Sean Walton, says their strategy is to distract, and that's irrelevant to the outcome.
People coming to court shouldn't come to the courthouse dressed to try to influence the jurors by wearing clothing that might signal what they believe verdicts should be.
Issues with the AirPods. I think we all know that people commonly forget to take your AirPods out. In fact, it wasn't even on the side facing the jurors, and so it's disingenuous, it's a distraction.
The defendant's motion for courtroom decorum meant to enforce proper in-court behavior was also taken into consideration by the judge. Meade's retrial is set for February. Local for you from the Franklin County Common Pleas Court, I'm Samantha Bender, NBC4.